Level up your Substack with custom pages to effortlessly guide your readers to exactly what they're looking for. First, let's dive into creating a brand new page for your Substack publication. From your Substack dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, you'll find a tab labeled Pages. Click on that to start building your new page. On the Pages screen, look for the or Add New Page button and give it a click. Now, you're in the new page editor. The first crucial step is to give your page a clear and descriptive title. This is what your readers will see in your navigation. For example, you might title it Recipe Archive, Author Bio, or Resources. Think about what kind of content will live on this page. Next, in the content area, you can add an introductory paragraph, describe what this page is for, or even embed images or other media. Once you're happy with your title and content, hit the Save button. You'll see your new page listed now. Let's add a post to it. Head back to your Substack dashboard and select Posts. Choose the post you want to link to your new page and click to edit it. Scroll down in the post editor until you find the post settings or advanced options. This is where we'll make the connection. Look for an option like Add to Page. Click on this and select the title of the custom page you just created. Hit Update or Save for your post. And there you have it. Your post is now linked to your dedicated page, and your page will appear in your publication's navigation, making it super easy for subscribers to find and explore.